Hello and welcome to another video of SK Hindi. Now in this video we are going to learn simple sentence structure for singular subject. Here in this video we will see simple sentences for this, for that, for he and for she. You can see that the meaning of this means yah, the meaning of that is vah, and again for he and she we have same meaning vah. Okay, please pause the video and write these meanings in your notebooks. Now let's go to see sentence structure. If you want to say this is a boy, you can see the meaning of this means yah. We have written also in first, and then the meaning of boy is ladka, is hai. So if you want to say this is a boy, in Hindi it will be uh, this a boy is. You can say for a you can say ek here, but in Hindi we don't have concept of article. For a and the we don't have any meaning. If you wish, so you can write ek for a and n, for but for the we don't have any meaning. So I hope you got it how to say this is a boy. So this is a boy will be this a boy is, यह लड़का है. Now let's go to see some vocabulary that we are going to use in this video. So here the meaning of cat, cat is billy. Please repeat with me. The meaning of cat is billy. The meaning of dog is kutta. The meaning of house is ghar. The meaning of chair is kursi. The meaning of table is mej. The meaning of children is bache. Okay, if you want to write all these vocabulary, please write in your notebook and then we will see sentence. I hope you have written all the vocabulary. Now here you can see how we will make sentences. So if you can see, so here this is a boy. So this is a boy will be यह लड़का है. So whatever you will put here, that will come again in mid of the sentence. So this will be in starting, is will go at the end, and whatever you will put here, that will come in mid of the sentence after यह. So this is a boy, यह लड़का है. This is a girl, यह लड़की है. Okay, this is Mohan. How to say? Can you try? Okay, so this is a Mohan, that will be यह मोहन है. Similarly for that is, it will be वह है. Whatever you will put here, that will come here in mid of the sentence. Then he is dash, whatever you will put here, that will come here in mid of the sentence. Okay, now let's go to see some sentences. Okay, so now if you want to say this is a cat, how to say? The meaning of this means yah. The meaning of cat is billy. The meaning of is means I. The end of the sentence. Now if you want to say that is a boy, okay, so how to say? The meaning of that is vah. The meaning of boy is ladka. The meaning of is means I. Okay, now let's go to see next sentence. The meaning of this means yah. The meaning of my friend. So if you are talking a male friend, it will be mera dost. And if you are talking about a female friend, if your friend is a female, you will say meri dost. I'm considering here a male friend. So this is my friend, yah mera dost hai. If I will consider my friend as a female, so I will say yah meri dost hai. Okay. Now next sentence, if you want to say that is a dog, how can you say? Vah kutta hai. Okay, the meaning of dog is kutta. Okay, now here I have written also wo. Why? So we in writing we write vah, but in conversation, when we speak fluently, so we in conversation sometimes we use wo. So instead of वह, we also use वो कुत्ता है, that is a dog, वो कुत्ता है, that is a cat, वो बिल्ली है, वह बिल्ली है, she is सीता, वह सीता है, he is मोहन, वह मोहन है, please repeat with me, she is सीता, वह सीता है, he is मोहन, वह मोहन है, she is 20 years old. So she means वह 20 years, साल, and की, and then for old है, sorry for age है, तो वह 20 साल की है. Now I hope you got this. Now let's go to see a exercise. I would suggest you to please pause the video and try all these sentences by yourself. Okay, I hope you have tried. Now let's go to see the answer of all these 12 sentences. So the first sentence is, this is a boy. So how to say? The meaning of this means यह, then boy means लड़का, then है, यह लड़का है. Okay. If you want to say that is a girl, how to say? वह, or you can say वो लड़की. Remember that we say वो in speaking only. When we write, so we write only वह. Okay. So वह लड़की है. Now let's go to see the next sentence, and that is, this is a school. So यह school है. Okay. Now let's go to see the next sentence. That is a hospital. वह hospital है. Okay. Let's go to see the next sentence. That is, she is Sita. वह सीता है. Okay. Sita is 11th year old. How to say? So Sita is, sorry, it's वह. Okay. 11th साल की है. Now next sentence. How to say she is an Indian? वह Indian है. Okay. Next sentence. How to say she is my friend? वह, and because Sita is female, so friend is female here, so it will be मेरी दोस्त है. Okay. Now if you want to say he is Mohan, how to say? वह मोहन है. Okay. How to say he is a student? So you can say वह student. How to say he is my brother? वह मेरा भाई है. Okay, I hope you got it. Now how to say he is 10 years old? So वह 10 साल का है. Okay, I hope you made all these sentences correct. Okay, please write in comment box how many sentences did you make correct, and please write if you have any question. I will try to answer. Please do subscribe and like. I always say when you subscribe and when you like our video, so it motivate us to make more video helping you. So keep learning, enjoying, and have a great rest of